The International Maithili Conference was being held in Goa for the first time. Delegates from all across the country as well as from abroad came to take part in it. The program started with lighting of the lamp by Ujwal Mishra, DIG Goa Police, and Satish Chandra Thakur, President of Goa Chapter of International Maithili Conference, and other dignitaries. It was followed by traditional devotional song written by poet Vidyapati. Later on, Satish Chandra Thakur gave insights into the agenda of the conference.
We are organizing this 16th International Maithili Conference. We are organizing this thing in Goa. This is the first time in Goa. We are invited the guests from different parts of the country and from other country also. This conference emphasizes at the various activities taken by the different sections of the people in our country in different states. Our objective is first to bring together the people who are staying away from their motherland, the Maithils who are staying here, to exhibit their cultural identity, and we are trying to organize the programs which we have got in our Maithil culture.
Maithili speaking people residing in the state of Goa came in large numbers to participate in the conference. Speaking to Goa News, Ujwal Mishra spoke about the need to spread the tenets of Maithili culture.
This is actually a program organized by a very strong section and a very vocal and a geographically large section of the state of Bihar. And that's a part of Bihar is known as Mithila. Mithila is actually, according to the Ramayana, the epic, Mithila, Sita was the daughter of the king of Mithila, and Mithila people claim that that is originally Mithila, and Mithila was a kingdom. It has a very rich language and it has a very rich history behind it.
Maithili has been a part of Indian cultural heritage, and Maithili happens to be one of the most historical languages spoken in the country. With the International Maithili Conference coming to Goa, people over here will come to know about its relevance and importance in a better way. With cameraman Jitu Sule, Om Prakash Jha in Porvorim for Goa News.